Okay, welcome. Happy Wednesday. Um, Today we're going to continue solving equations and inequalities. Not much has changed from yesterday to today. Okay, so if we look, anytime you see parentheses, you have to do that first no matter what. So 6 times 8 is going to be 48. Okay, from there to there, there's one R. 6 times 7 is going to be 42. Okay, if you were to look at this, then you would need to combine, but however, the R's and the 42 cannot go together. So if you think about who's the kid, okay, well, we got to drop the kid off first. So we're going to say plus 42, plus 42. So I get 48R equals negative 138 plus 42 is going to be negative 96. And then we're going to break up this couple. And so we're going to say divide by 48. So we get R equals negative 2. Okay, number 3. Again, we see parentheses, so we got to do that first. So the 8, we're going to go ahead and drop down. Negative 7 times 7 is going to be negative 49x. Negative 7 times 8 is going to be negative 56 equals negative 342. Okay, and now if we look, see how there's 1, 2, 3 pieces on that side? That means something can get combined. So 8 minus 56 can go together. So that's going to be a 48. So we can put this one with this one. So that's going to be a negative 48 minus 49x equals negative 342. Okay, and look at this. Who is the kid? Okay, well, the kid is the 48, so we're going to add 48 to both sides. So I get negative 49x. So I got negative 342 plus 48. So negative 294. And then we're going to break up that couple. So we're going to divide by negative 49. I did not leave very much room. Okay, and that's going to give me a positive 6. Okay, 5. There's parentheses, so we're going to do that first. Okay, so 5 times 8 is 40, and then 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, so I'm going to get 40 plus 15a equals 100. Okay, then we're going to look at this and say, well, who's the kid? Okay, well, 40 is the kid, so how do I move that? Okay, so I'm going to say minus 40, minus 40. So I'm going to get 15a, and that's going to give me 60. And then I need to break up that couple. And so we're going to divide by 15. So we get a equals 4. Okay, 7. Again, there's parentheses, so negative 7 times negative 7 is going to be a positive 49. Negative 7 times negative 7 is a positive 49. And there's one n on that one. Okay, and then we look at this and say, well, who's the kid? Okay, well, this 49 is the kid. So we're going to say minus 49, minus 49. Okay, so we're going to get 49n. Well, 98 minus 49 is also 49. And then we need to break up that couple. So we're going to say divide by 49. Divide by 49. So we get n equals 1. Okay, 9, our first step is gonna be always to do the parentheses. So negative 5 times 8 is gonna be negative 40n. Negative 5 times negative 8 is a positive 40, plus 4n equals negative 176. Okay, well again, I have 1, 2, 3 pieces on that side, so that means something can get put together. Okay, so the negative 40 and the 4 can get put together. So negative 40 plus 4 is going to be negative 36n plus 40 equals negative 176. Okay, and then we're going to move the kid, which is the 40. So we're going to say minus 40, minus 40. So we get negative 36n equals negative 216. And then we're going to divide by negative 36. So I get n equals 6. Okay, 11, our first step is going to be to distribute. So negative 3 times 3 is going to be negative 9x. Negative 3 times negative 7 is a positive 21. Minus 1 equals 92. Okay, again, I have 3 pieces on the left side, so that tells me something to get put together. Okay, so I know that the 21 and the 1 can go together. So a plus 21 minus 1 is going to be 20. Almost 96, 92. Okay, and then we look at this and say, well, who's the kid? Okay, well, the 20 is the kid, so minus 20, minus 20. So I get negative 9x equals 72. And then I'm going to divide by negative 9. So I get x equals negative 8. Okay, 13. I'm going to distribute, so negative 8 times 5 is negative 40. Negative 8 times negative 8 is a positive 64x equals negative 360. Okay, and then we look at this, well, there's only 2 pieces on the left, so nobody needs to combine. However, the 40 is the kid, so we're going to say plus 40, plus 40. So I'm going to get 64x equals negative 320. And then we're going to divide by 64. So I get negative 5. Okay, 15, I got negative 7 times negative 4 is going to be negative 28n. Negative 7 times negative 6 is going to be negative 42. And then I still have that minus 6n. Okay, again, you can see that there are 3 pieces on the left, so that means somebody can get put together. So the 28 and the 6 can go together because they both have an n. Okay, so it's going to be negative 34n minus 42 equals negative 314. Okay, we're going to plus 42 on both sides. So I get negative 34n, and then that's going to give me negative 272. Okay, and then we're going to divide by negative 34. So that's going to give me an 8. Okay, 17, I'm gonna start off and I'm gonna put a 1 in front of this P. So after the parenthesis, but in front of the P. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and distribute. So 7 times 1 is gonna be 7P. 7 times negative 4 is negative 28. Okay, 28 is the kid, so you're gonna add 28 to both sides. So I'm gonna get 7P equals negative 56. And then I'm gonna divide by 7. So that's gonna give me negative 8. Okay, and last one, 19, I'm gonna say negative 2 times 8 is gonna be negative 16. Negative 2 times 7 is gonna be negative 14b equals negative 114. Okay, 16 is the kid, so we're gonna add 16 on both sides. So I got negative 14b equals negative 98. And then we're going to divide by negative 14. So we get b equals 7. Okay, you guys have 10 to do on your own. Go through and get your 10 done, and then when you're done for today, and I will see you guys on Thursday.